Sometimes you want to share a video but need to protect someone's privacy. Blurring a specific face has never been easier. Today, I'll show you how to blur any face you choose in just a few clicks using AVCLabs Video Blur AI. And the best part, the AI automatically detects and tracks the face throughout the video. Let's get started. First, open AVCLabs Video Blur AI and import video, or simply drag and drop your file into the window. Next, select the Face Blur feature from the top tool list. This tool is designed specifically for recognizing and blurring human faces automatically. Now, click on Custom Selection. The AI will quickly scan your video and detect all the faces that appear. Once the detection is complete, you'll see a list of all recognized faces. Simply choose the specific face you want to blur. With just one click, AVCLabs automatically applies a blur effect every time that person appears in your video. You can preview the video to make sure the blur is applied correctly. Notice how the blur follows the face smoothly, without you having to adjust anything manually. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Export. And that's it! The chosen face is blurred throughout the entire video, keeping your content safe, professional, and privacy-friendly. With AVCLabs Video Blur AI, blurring specific faces is truly a one-click solution. Download it and keep your video privacy now. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching!